What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It's Motivation Monday. And sorry, I couldn't give you guys a proper video today, but I'm still going to give you a few minutes of, positive words. Just, a lean, raw, uncut video just to give you guys a little bit of extra boost for this week. So today, I just want to say, get out of your head. That's the message for today. Get out of your head. Honestly, life is a lot more simple when we get out of our own heads. I see a lot of people who want to accomplish things, who have big goals, big dreams, want to get things done. But sometimes, it's just a bit too much for them. And the worst thing is, they get in their own head. To be honest, those people, they're not as bad as those ones who don't even start because they've already got in their head. So I want to tell you today, get out of your head. Believe in yourself, focus on what you want to do, put your energy towards the right things, direct your energy in the right way. And don't be so focused on, what's going on around you, what, people are saying. And the most important thing is we have faith in ourselves. We believe in ourselves. You know what you can do. Others are going to doubt you. That's okay. It happens. It's all part of the process. But if you doubt yourself, then the process doesn't even start. The process ends early. I need you guys to have faith in yourself and get out of your own head. It doesn't matter what you do. As with many things that I talk about, whether you're in real estate, whether you're trying to make money on the stock market, whether you're trying to start your own business, lose weight, become fitter, become healthier, go a month without sugar, I don't know, whatever it may be, make money online. Don't get in your own head. Get out of your own head. Get out of your head. That's all I can say for today. Get out of your head. We've got today, the 30th of March, and tomorrow, 31st of March. Then it's going to be 3 months down, 1 quarter down in 2020. You might think that, COVID has, stopped your life. You might think that people dying stopped your life. Talks of World War III, all sorts of things, whatever, people have, whatever kind of concerns people have, raised this year. You might think those are the reasons for your downfall. A lot of the time, that's not it. Your negative vibes, your negative mentality, the wrong mindset is caused by you being in your own head. I think not enough people realize that, and they need to. So, again, if you guys don't understand, get out of your own head. Have faith in yourself, be focused on your goals and dreams. Be so focused that you don't understand, what's going on around you. You don't, not that you're oblivious, but you just realize that it's not going to stop you. It's not going to affect you. You don't let it affect you. And again, the most important thing is that you, yourself, you don't get in your own head. Me, myself, I know I've had it before in the past where I get in my own head. I think, I can't do it. Why am I in this situation? I put in so much hours. I do so much work. How am I not here yet? Don't worry. It's all a process. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes you overcoming obstacles. It takes you getting past that uncertainty. It takes you taking that first step. So today, I want to motivate you guys for this week, for today, for this week, whatever it may be, by saying, get out of your head. It's a simple message today. It's a short and sweet and clear message today as well. But tomorrow I'll be back with a normal video, just like you guys enjoy. But I just thought I'd quickly make a video today just to let you guys know what's going on. I'm busy with a couple projects. I'm really, pushing hard for some things. And honestly, like I said, I didn't have time to make a proper full video like I usually do. So this is a short video for you guys today, but still with an important message. But that's for this video, guys. Make sure you guys check out those links in the description as always. Comment whatever you want to say, on the videos as always. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep pushing on, keep cracking on with whatever you need to do. But that's today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've got money making. You got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.